Hey everyone, let's talk veggies. We all know they're good for us, but are we cooking them in a way that maximizes their goodness? Steaming, my friends, is where it's at. It's a gentle cooking method that helps retain those vital nutrients often lost in other methods. Say goodbye to soggy, nutrient-depleted veggies and hello to vibrant, flavorful goodness. Steaming is easy, quick, and makes a world of difference in taste and health. Let me show you how. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips. Think of steaming as giving your veggies a mini sauna. The gentle heat helps retain vitamins and minerals that often disappear in boiling water. Vitamin C, vital for immunity, and B vitamins, essential for energy, stay put. Antioxidants, those disease-fighting superstars, also get to shine. Steaming helps preserve the natural colors, flavors, and textures of your veggies, making them a treat for the eyes and the palate. Don't worry, steaming is a breeze. Grab a pot, add a little water, and bring it to a boil. Place your chopped veggies in a steamer basket, set it over the boiling water, cover, and let them steam. The cooking time varies depending on the veggie, but a good rule of thumb is 5 to 7 minutes for tender, crisp perfection. You want them vibrant and slightly firm, not mushy. Fighting inflammation, the veggie advantage. We hear a lot about inflammation these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems. The good news is that a diet rich in vegetables can help combat inflammation. Steaming is a great way to cook vegetables while preserving their anti-inflammatory properties. So, load up on those leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, and colorful peppers. My steaming journey, from skeptic to believer. I'll admit, I wasn't always a steaming enthusiast. I thought it was bland and boring. But then I tried steaming some fresh asparagus and was amazed by the difference in taste and texture. The asparagus was tender, flavorful, and retained its beautiful green color. Since then, I've been hooked. Steaming has become my go-to method for cooking most vegetables. Flavor up your plate. Tips for delicious steamed veggies. Steamed veggies don't have to be bland. Here are some quick tips to jazz them up. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a burst of freshness. Drizzle with a touch of olive oil or melted butter for richness. Sprinkle with herbs and spices like garlic powder, oregano, or red pepper flakes. Top with toasted nuts or seeds for added crunch and flavor. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. You'll be amazed at how delicious and satisfying steamed veggies can be.